What happened? What were you saying, Randy? What were you saying? Yo! What is up, guys? It's your boy Bondo back at it again with another video. Welcome back to CT DragZ. So today we actually got a couple goodies in for the EK. So we actually got a bunch of steering wheel stuff, shifting stuff, and steering wheel stuff. So I'll explain to you guys what I'm gonna do. Alright, so as you guys know, I have a RSX steering wheel. This is probably gonna go to Randy's car to put in the little bubble, so I can put the new steering wheel. And I've got a bunch of, I'll explain that when I get to it, but this is what I want to explain. I do not like the way these shifters sit. This is an Accord shifter, or shift box should I say. And the shift knob that I have it sits really tall. It's like this tall. So what I'm gonna do is cut this down so that the shift knob sits a little lower. And I also got a short shifter that I'll show you guys now. And when the shifter sits lower, it feels a lot notchier, because with the shifter being super high, it feels like there's longer throws. So that's how this feels right now, right? And you'll see the difference. So let's take this off. Guys, so we got the steering wheel off. Now we're gonna open up the boxes of the energy and all this steering wheel stuff now. All right, so we got a VMS quick release. We've got the NRG hub, and then we also have the Forever Sharp steering wheel hub or spacer. That way I can use, this is pretty much a hub that converts your steering wheel from a 6-lug, or not 6-lug, but 6-hole to 5-hole, because the Grant steering wheel that we have is a 5-hole. I'm excited for that. Alright, so that's the hub. They were nice enough to give me a sticker this time, because I didn't get one last time. This is the spacer that converts it to 5. It sits on top of the quick release. So this is here. They give us the hardware, and I believe they didn't give us a sticker, but they gave us a...
I'm gonna crunch on my fucking nose right now.
This kid is trying to fold the paper and can't do it. So they gave us this. I messaged all of the people to make sure to send me like stickers and shit before I bought them, and they have been. So they gave me the scent thingamabobber, I forget what it's called, and then
a scent.
Yeah, the scent, whatever. What? No, it's about to go in my car. The quick release. I like these because no one can just put their steering wheel and it'll click on and take off with your shit, because I've had that happen to me before.
Yeah, I remember that.
And I think VMS gave... Ooh, baby. So we got the hardware, baby. Oh, hold on. Let's not mix this.
I got this.
Yeah, thank you, baby girl.
Oh, anything for you.
Alright, so that hardware... You want this one too? What is it? Get a discount, baby.
Get a discount?
I think so. I don't know. What do you got that here? Put this in your pocket. You can look these over when you're jerking off late at night.
Fuck you. I have a life, you know.
Yeah. Yo, when I use this...
Goddamn, pull up your pants. You got a wedge you gotta pick, homie.
Yeah, I don't have a lot for it. Give me the impact one. Alright guys, to make the VMS quick release work with the NRG, you actually have to take off this plastic piece. I wasn't planning on having a horn anyways, so that really doesn't matter. If anything, I'll just run a horn here, but like a horn button if I really wanted to, which I really don't care about. So now everything matches up. I don't know if you guys can see the holes. Everything matches up. So we're gonna put the bolts on that, and then the little hub that goes on this, and then I think we should be all set. Alright guys, so I have to take off the plastic piece from here too because the bolt kept hitting the actual metal. So we got that out and now it sits pretty good. So now we're gonna put the little spacer. Evan, you wanna do me the honors and give me the spacer?
Where would that be located, sir?
Yo, hold on, this shit is tripping. Alright, we're running into a bunch of stupid problems. So this is all bolted up now. I didn't even notice that. It's got like little thingies for your thumbs. Well, anyways, this is all on. It's tight. Everything is on. This bolt is too long. Alright guys, so this is the issue. This bolt is way too long. It's meant so that it would go through all three. It goes through all three, but it's way too long. Like, they made this a little bit too long. So I'm just gonna grind some of it down about probably like this much. Cut that off and we should be fine. Alright guys, I just cut it. It's really hot. And now we're gonna try to put it back on. Hopefully it screws on because I kind of messed up the threads a little. Fuck it! After a long fucking hour.
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Yeah, fuck you. 50 minutes my ass. 15. After like an hour of messing with the shit, I finally got it on. Everything is lined up pretty good. The wheels are straight. Might be a little off, but I'm not 100% sure. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I gotta just clean it up a little bit because my hands were greasy from the hub. And that's it. So let's put the plastic back together and see how it looks. Alright guys, so it's on. And it looks pretty damn good. Not gonna lie, it's a little dirty because of my hands, like I said, but it looks pretty good. These are probably gonna get changed out. This is just all we have right now because of the coronavirus. It's fucking us up right now. Everything's closed, so I'm gonna rock these for a while. I'll probably end up painting them black just to see how it looks, because this all needs to be repainted anywhere with matte black.
Bro, what if you fucking painted this all red? To match the stitching.
I'm gonna get red seats.
But dude, that shit would look fucking sick.
I don't wanna have too much black is the only problem.
That would look so, and with the red oh my god.
Alright guys, so we got a Musion shift knob.
Yeah, it's definitely a Mugen, because it's not a Mugen.
We got a Mugen fucking shift knob, carbon fiber. Got all the fittings here. I also have, hold on. They also have this, the adapter piece, so I can just screw it back on. And then where's the, I also have a short shifter. Ba-bang! So we're gonna put short shifter, the adapter, shift knob.
Ready.
You better get away from me. Don't you be putting shit in my ass. So anyways, let me go get the Sawzall, take some measurements real quick, and then we'll start cutting. Alright, so I got some sad news. This didn't even fit. They sent me the wrong fucking year. So that's out the window. So what we're gonna do is put on the shift knob. Steering wheel's already on. Looking pretty spicy over there. So let me get this adapter piece to go. I don't know where I put it. Everything's everywhere. I'm getting very frustrated. Alright, so we're on and popping now, guys. We got the shifter, steering wheel, everything's on, everything's bolted up. Now I gotta start doing interior pieces so that it can go along with the car. Not only that, me and Randy started welding the rear of the car, because this was an all-wheel drive car at one point, and that's what they had to cut out to fit everything. Yeah, on that note, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.